Hello, my friends. This is Don Martin again. I wanted to draw your attention to a different website today. It is Don Martin Books. I'm Don Martin, and I have a website, oddly enough, called donmartinbooks.com. And yes, even though I'm barely literate, I've written a couple of books, and I would love for you to, once in a while, when you've got absolutely nothing else to do, go by my website, strike the little menu item that says my books, or follow this link here underneath this video. Um, Go to my books. Feel absolutely free to purchase as many or as few as you want. The importance is just the symbolic purchase. That's what means so much to me. Of course, a huge symbolic purchase is always better than a modest symbolic purchase, but you live with whatever you want to live with as far as that goes. I appreciate you going. I appreciate your consideration. I would appreciate you subscribing to this video channel, and gosh, even leave me a comment if you've got something that's not foul that you want to tell me. Thanks.